Anthony Martian Davis Jr., born March 11, 1993, nicknamed AD and the Brow, is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers and now Washington Wizards of the National Basketball Association, NBA. Davis, a power forward and center, is a 10-time NBA All-Star and has been named to 5 All-NBA teams, including for first-team selections, and 5 NBA All-Defensive teams. In 2021, he was named to the NBA 75th anniversary team. Davis is widely regarded as one of the greatest power forwards of all time. Davis played 1 season of college basketball for the Kentucky Wildcats, when he was first-team All-American and the Consensus National Player of the Year. He also won the USBWA National Freshman of the Year, and ABC Defensive Player of the Year, and the Pete Newell Big Man Award. Davis led the NCAA in blocks and set Southeastern Conference and NCAA Division I freshman single-season blocked shots records. He led Kentucky to a national championship and was named the most outstanding player of the 2012 NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament. Davis left college for the NBA after 1 season and was drafted as the first overall pick in the 2012 NBA draft by the New Orleans Hornets and was selected that summer to play in the 2012 Olympics. After his rookie season, he was named to the NBA All-Rookie First Team. The next season, he became an All-Star for the first time and led the NBA in blocked shots per game. In 2017, he was named the NBA All-Star Game MVP after scoring a then-record 52 points in the 2017 NBA All-Star Game. Davis was traded to the Los Angeles Lakers in 2019, where he won an NBA championship in 2020 and the first edition of the NBA Cup in 2023. In February 2025, he was traded to the Dallas Mavericks in exchange for Luka Doncic, in what was regarded as one of the most unexpected trades in American sports history. A year later, he was traded to the Washington Wizards. Davis has won gold medals with the United States national team on their 2012 Olympic team, 2014 World Cup team, and 2024 Olympic team. 7, he is also one of only 8 players to achieve the basketball Triple Crown. Born in Chicago, Davis grew up in the Englewood neighborhood and played high school basketball for Perspectives Charter School, where he had attended school since 6th grade. The team plays in the Blue Division of the Chicago Public High School League, which is ignored by the media because of its lower level of competition. Perspectives is a charter school that operates as a math and science academy. It has a strong academic reputation, but minimal athletic success. The school had no gymnasium, and Davis's middle school basketball teams practiced at the nearby Second Presbyterian Church in Chicago's historic South Loop District. In junior high school, he was known as the little guy who would shoot threes from the corner. He ended his freshman year at a height of 6 feet 0 inches, 1.83 meters. By the beginning of his sophomore year, he had grown another 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, and he finished the year at 6 feet 4 inches, 1.93 meters. Davis verbally committed to Kentucky on August 13, 2010, choosing it over DePaul, Ohio State, and Syracuse. On August 24, 2010, he became the #1 rated player in the national class of 2011 at Scout.com. Before Davis committed to Kentucky, the Chicago Sun-Times reported that his father had asked Kentucky for $200,000 in exchange for a commitment from Davis. The report was initially released on Wednesday, August 4, 2010, by Sun-Times reporter Michael O'Brien. Citing a reliable source, he posted the following text: "Rumors as sources that have Davis choosing Kentucky are also alleging that the commitment cost $200,000. The sentence was later edited to say rumors that Davis's commitment is for sale have surfaced since he cut his list of schools down about a month ago. The sentence was removed later that day from the Sun-Times high school sports website following a threat from a University of Kentucky lawyer. Anthony Davis Sr. declined to speak to the Chicago Tribune on August 4th regarding the allegation. On July 30th, however, he denied the allegations to the Sun-Times, stating, "We haven't asked anyone for anything, and no one has offered us anything." The article was reposted on the Sun-Times website and included in the print edition on Friday, August 6th. O'Brien wrote sources from 3 separate universities told the Sun-Times that Davis Sr. asked for money in return for his son's commitment, with the amounts ranging from $125,000 to $150,000. The University of Kentucky and the Davis family both threatened to sue the Sun-Times over the article. However, no lawsuits were filed by Kentucky or the Davis family. The Davises and Kentucky claim the restated publication was false. Illinois' 1-year statute of limitations on libel cases expired before any lawsuits were filed. Davis signed his national letter of intent on November 10, 2010. He began his senior season on the Chicago Sun-Times area 2010 Top 50 list. He was a preseason first-team All-State selection by the Sun-Times. By that time, he stood at 6 feet 10 inches to .08 meters. His team's game against Whitney M. Young Magnet High School was nationally televised on ESPNU. Perspectives finished the season with a 6-19 record. Despite his growth, Davis continued to perform aspects of the role of a guard during the season by bringing the ball up the court and shooting outside shots. 39 for the season, he averaged 32 points, 22 rebounds, and 7 blocks. in the March 30th, 2011 McDonald's All-American game in front of a hometown crowd at the United Center, Davis made his first 5 field goals on his way to a 14-point, 6-rebound, 2-steal, and 4-block performance. In the April 9th Nike Hoops Summit, Davis led the USA basketball team to a 92-80 victory over the world team with a team-high 10 rebounds to go with 16 points and 2 blocks. He was named co-MVP of the April 16th Jordan Brand Classic game after posting 29 points on 13 for -15 shooting, 11 rebounds, and 4 blocks in a losing effort. Davis's 29 points was the second highest point total in the first 10 years of the Jordan Brand Classic, following only LeBron James's 34-point performance. Personal life. Davis is the son of Anthony Davis Sr. Davis Sr. is 6 feet 3 inches, and his mother, Irainer, is 6 feet 1 inch. He has a twin sister, Antoinette, and an older sister, Leisha, who played basketball at Daly College. He has cousins named Jarvis, Marshawn, and Keith Chamberlain. Keith has played professional basketball in Germany and Latvia, and their father, Keith Sr., served as Davis's elementary school athletic director. Davis married Marlon Polanco on September 18, 2021. They have 3 children together. On June 15, 2012, he signed with Arn Tellem and Thad Fowker of the Wasserman Media Group as his agents. Tellem left to become an NBA executive in 2015, and Davis signed with Rich Paul of Clutch Sports Group in 2018. Davis trademarked his unibrow sayings "Fear the Brow" and "Raise the Brow" in June 2012. In 2014, he launched AD's Flight Academy, which holds charitable events in the greater New Orleans area. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.